वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. And today I am going to show you all how to make Goan, authentic Goan traditional buns, that is banana buns. So I have taken elchi bananas, two. This is called elchi. You can take any bananas if you want. Then we need one refined wheat maida flour, so 1 cup of this. And then I have taken 1/4 cup of atta also. So nowadays you are getting like maida, but it is like refined wheat maida flour. So basically this is like wheat and refined. And I have taken a normal atta also, that is again wheat flour only. It is 1/4. Then we need a half teaspoon of baking soda and sugar. You can add 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon. If you don't want, don't use it because banana is sweet. So if you have sugar problem, then don't use it. Okay. If you don't like to have sugar, a lot of things, many people don't want to eat sweets also, so then you don't add. And little bit of cumin seed. So let us knead this dough. So we'll peel this. Now you can do it in the mixer, small wala, the chutney wala mixer, or you can mash it with the masher or a fork. You can only mash this all so that it goes in the atta. So you need like ripe banana, and then you mash this all. And add sugar to this if you are adding sugar. Salt will also go for the dough. So this is done now. Mashing is done. Now we'll add our sugar. I will add very little sugar for this. Now we'll add our baking soda. Mix this all. We'll add salt also. Salt to taste, like around half teaspoon. We need water now to knead this. And little bit of jeera. Very little I have added. Okay. So now we'll get water and knead this. Now you mix first the banana and all the other ingredients, and then we will make the dough. How much water we require. Okay. First only don't add your water. Normal water. Make a nice soft dough. Now I will apply a little bit of ghee to this and leave this for few minutes. Then we have to roll this like a puri and then fry it deep oil. So this is done. So I'm going to make it very less, only for 3 people, so approx like 6 puris or 6 buns out of this banana buns. So now let's make this. Okay, so how big you want it is up to you. Keep the oil for making it hot, and how thick also, that is up to you. So this is bun, so it should be not very rolled very thin way. I'll show you. This much thick is okay. Same way do like this only for the other one. तर हेंका पातळ लाटपाची गरज ना, कित्याक की बन न्हू, तर ताटूच मातशें दवरूंक जाय. पूण आपणाचेर आहा, जर तुमकां पातळ करूंक जाय जाल्यार पातळ करात, दाट दवरूंक जाय जाल्यार दाट दवरात. तर आतां आमी हें भाजूंक वचोया. So normal oil, whichever oil you have, like sunflower, or don't use mustard oil because it will give different smell. So leaving mustard oil, you can use sunflower oil or rice oil, or whichever oil you want to use, you can use. I am using sunflower oil. So the oil is getting hot. So we'll add this as a test and see if the oil is hot. Yeah, so the oil is hot. Okay, so we can add our other one. The oil has to be very, very, very hot. Okay, so we'll put this inside this. If you want to add some color and all, orange color or something, that's up to you. It is totally up to you. So let you fry this nicely. So we'll take this out. So this one is perfect. First one always it does like that only. So this is perfect. So I will fry the other ones also. So if you see, only the first one was little bit this because the oil was not that hot, I think so, like it needs very hot oil. So now it is okay. So don't be like this, oh first one is not become, so I will not do. The second one will always be perfect. तो तुम्ही पळयलां आसतलें सदांच केन्नाय कितेंय करता जाल्यार पोहे जावं कितें जाय पयलो पोव बरो येवचो पण दुसरो मागीर सगळें मागीर बरें जाता. So hope you all will enjoy this Goan banana buns and enjoy for tea, or you can have it with curry also. And try this recipe. This is without curd. So enjoy. मानता तुमकां हें आवडटलें आनी तुमी हें करून खातलीं. देव बरें करूं. Serve this hot Goan banana buns and enjoy with curry or anything. Okay, I will try to show you how it inside. See. So enjoy this and make it in your kitchen. Thank you. Dev bare karo. Goan banana buns. आमचे गोंयची केळ्याचें बन हे जावन आसा. ट्राय करात. नो कलर एडेड, नो yogurt also, just banana and few other ingredients. Try and make this in your kitchen. Thank you. Goan banana buns.